Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the remaining question of exercise 2.4. That's question number 9. A grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 56 years older than her. Find the present ages. So, first of all, let the present age of granddaughter is equal to x years and present age of grandfather is 10 times. This means 10x years. According to question, he is also 56 years older than her. This means x 10x equals to x plus 54. This means the age of the granddaughter is x and grandfather is 10x. Grandfather is 54 years more. So this is 10x minus x equals to 54. 9x equals to 54, then x is 54 by 9, 9 6 is 54. So age of granddaughter is 6 years and age of grandfather which can include 6 which is 60 years. This is the answer. In 10th question, statement is Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. Let the son's age equals to x years. According to question, Aman's age is 3 times, which is 3x. Then according to question, 10 years ago, after 10 years, Aman's son's age is x plus 10 and his age is 3x plus 10. Then according to question, its age is 5 times. This means this is 5 times. Here the age is 10 years ago. If there is ago, then this is minus, this means 10 साल पहला, before 10 years. This is 5x minus 50, this is 3x minus 10. So 5x minus 3x minus 10 plus 50. So 2x equals to 40, then x is equal to 20. This means son's age 20 years and Aman's age is 3 into 20, 60 years. This is the answer. It's very simple. So this completes the exercise 2.4. In next exercise 2.5, we find the value of x by solving the question. We find value of x by solving the equation. 2.5, sum number 1 is x upon 2 minus 1 by 5 x upon 3 plus 1 by 4. So first you take this on left hand side, so its sign is changed. This on right hand side, its sign is also changed. Take LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. So this is 3x minus 2x. Take LCM of this, which is 20, and this is 5 plus 4. So x upon 6 is 9 by 20. Then x is 9 into 6 divided by 20. So this is 3, this is 10. So 27 by 10 is the value of x. In next question, Question number 2. N upon minus 3n by 4 plus 5n by 6 equals to 21. First take LCM of these two, which is 12. LCM of 2, 4, 6 is 12. So 2, 6 is 12. 4, 3 is 12. 3 is 9. 6, 2 is 12. This is 10. So 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 minus 9 is 7n, which is 21. So 7n is 21 into 12. Then n is 21 into 12 divided by 7. 7 3 is 12. So n is 36. This is the answer. It's very simple. We can solve the questions using transposing method. This means transpose the terms involving x on the right hand side and involving constant on the right hand side. In question number 3, x plus 7 minus 8x upon 3, 17 by 6 minus 5x upon 2. So first take the terms involving x. This is x upon 1. This is 8x upon 3. Take this on the left hand side and constant 7 on the right hand side. So LCM of 2, 3 is 6. This is 3x. 3, 2. This is 16. This is 3. 5, 15. LCM is 6. 17 minus 42. So this is 21. 21 is 5. This is 12 and 7 is 5. This is 25. Then x is 25 upon x. This is 6 upon 5. This cancel out 5. So value of x is minus 1. This is the answer. In next question, question number 4. X minus 5 upon 3, x minus 3 upon 5. First cross multiply these two. This is x minus 5, x minus 3. Then this is 5x minus 25. This is 3x minus 9. Take 3x on the left hand side and 25 on the right hand side. Then 2x is equal to 16, x is equal to 8. This is the answer. In fifth part, question number 5th, the statement is 3t minus 2 upon 4 minus 2t plus 3 upon 3 equals to 2 by 3 minus 3. First we take LCM of these two, which is 12. This 3 is multiplied by 3t minus 2 and this is 4, 2t minus 3 equals to 2 by 3 minus t. When we solve this question, this is 90, this is 6, 80 plus 12 divided by 5. This is 2 by 3 minus t. 90, this is t plus 6 by 12. Take this t on the left hand side and LCM of 2 is 12. So it's t plus 6 plus 12t, which is 2 by 3. So t plus 12t is 13t. This is 13t plus 6 divided by 12, 2 by 3. So this is 13t plus 6, 2 by 3 multiplied 12. This is 3, 4. So 13t plus 6 is 8. 13t is equal to 8 minus 6. 13t is equal to 2. Then t is 2 by 13. 2 by 13 is the value of t. This is the answer.